Hey, what's going on, you guys? The Fiery Flame here, and I'm back again with another video. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And let's get right into it. So in this video, I am going to show you how to download your own image from Google. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type in the image you want to find. Like for example, I'm going to type in fire here for an image. No, not that, but for example, I'm going to type in the banana splits, for example. Then in order to download the image, then what you're gonna want to do to download the image is you're gonna want to hit visit. So in order to download the image, and as you can see, these are not images. So if you're trying to find images and these are not images, then go and find an image. Then go and find an image. Like for example, I'm gonna find a meme image that I want. For example, so let's see what this. So we're gonna try this. So first, before I download this image. So first, before I download this meme image, I'm gonna read it first. That moment when you find a perfect avocado at the supermarket. Then what you do is first you hit inspect image. Then you look at all these codes. Then once you're in here, you just go ahead and X out of it. Then you click save image as, and then save, and then your image is downloaded. And then next how you download. Then once you've downloaded your image, now that I showed you that, now you can select your image now. Well, I hope you guys. So yeah,